Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to program a LiftMaster 890 Max key fob to open your garage. After opening it up, the battery will already be installed. And the first thing you want to do when you take it out of the packaging is you want to click the button to turn it on. And then you want to go over to your garage door opener and go up to the learn button and press the learn button. Your button might be a different color, but mine is yellow. Then you want to press the key fob button that you want to use, hold it. And once you see the light blink twice and click, then you push the button and it will open the garage door. It's pretty easy. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. The product description and the instructions will be in the description if you want to just read the instructions. Thank you.